Namaste, myself JVN Dr. Priya Kapillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jayodhi Vidyabhed Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to deal with on the topic Paschat Karma of Virejana. This period starts from cessation of Virejana Vekas till the patient takes his normal diet. Certain behavioral restrictions like Ashtamahadosha Varjakara Bhavas should be kept in mind. It includes Ucha Bhashana, Radakshobha, Adicangramana, Atyasana, Ajirna Bhojana, Ahita Bhojana, Divasopna, Maithuna is according to the Charaka Samhita. All these things should be avoided. Apart from these, Adhisthana, Krodha, Shoga, Atapa, Avashya, Adipravata, Viruddha Bhojana, Vega Santharana should be avoided according to Susruta Samhita. Samsarjana Krama to restore and to boost the hampered Agni, special dietetic procedures called Payadikrama should be followed. According to Jayajata, the need of Payadikrama is told as the doshas being liquefied and reaches Amashya by Shodhana, which process Shodhana process which hampers the Agni. Okay, so we have to follow the Payadikrama or Tarpanadikrama and Rasadi Samsarjana Krama according to the symptoms which is produced. It is for to kindle the Agni which become hampered by means of the Shodhana procedure. Okay, duration of Samsarjana. Samsarjana Krama followed according to the type of Shuddhi is for Brahmana Shuddhi, it should be observed for 7 days, and for Madhyama Shuddhi, it should be done for 5 days, and for Avara or Jagani Shuddhi, it should be done for 3 days. After Shodhana Karma, Akti is enhanced by providing Leghu Ahara, just like with the help of Trinagomayadi, Agni Sandokshana occurs. Samsarjana Krama. Peya Vilapim Akardam Kridam cha Yusham Rasam Trividhaikashasta Kramena Seveda Vishuddhakaya Pradana Madhya Avara Shuddhi Shuddha. Reference Charaga Siddhi, first chapter, 11th sloka. Chakrabani, commenting on the above opinion, opines that depending on the character of Shuddhi, that is in Pravara Shuddhi, Payadikrama should be started for 3 Annakala, that is Paya for 3 Annakala, Vilebi for 3 Annakala, Akrita Yusha for 1 Annakala, and Krita Yusha for 2 Kala, Akrita Mamsarasa for 1 Annakala, and Krita Mamsarasa for 2 Annakala. For Madhyama Shuddhi, 2 Annakala is preferred. Wherefore, Avara Shuddhi, 1 Annakala is mentioned. That is, this is a chart for observation of the Samsarjana Krama according based on the Shuddhi. Okay, this is on the first day of Vamana. We should start it from evening. Okay, for Pravara Shuddhi, on the day of Karma, we have to start from the evening of that day, so that prayer should be continued for next 3 Annakala, that is on the evening, next day morning, evening. And for Vilebi, it should start from 3rd day, so it should continue for 3 times, and next time we have to continue Akrita Yusha, then followed by 2 times Krita Yusha, okay, in the morning evening basis. Next, like that, same like that, Akrita Mamsarasa should be taken for 6th day morning, for Krita Mamsarasa for the next 2 Annakala. Then from the 7th day, from evening onwards, we should follow the normal diet. For Madhyama Shuddhi, it also start from the same day evening. It should given for 2 Annakala. Videbi also for continue 2 Annakala. Next is Akrita Yusha 1 Annakala and Krita Yusha next Annakala. And next is Akrita Mamsarasa for 1 Annakala, Krita Mamsarasa for 1 Annakala, and then follow normal diet from the 5th day evening onwards. And for Peya, and for the Avara Shuddhi, Peya should start from the evening of the day of Vamana. Then next day we should next Annakala we should follow Vilevi, and for the next Anna we should follow Kridayusha. Here Agrada is not used. Okay. So Kridayusha, next follow Krida, Dagrada Mamsrasa, then follow the normal diet. Regarding Samsarjana Krama, Sruta opines that depending upon the Hrida Dosha Pramana, he considered three Pramana of Dosha Harana. That is one Prastha, half Adaga, and one Adaga, which is Avara, Madhyama, and Uttama Pramana, respectively. So in Susruta Samhita, according to Bala Vishesha, Samsarjana Krama, Vishesha can be appreciated. That is, if Dekshna Bala is present, then three Ahara Kala. In Madhyama Bala, two Ahara Kala, and in Mrudubala person, one Ahara Kala should be followed. Tarpanadi Krama. According to Charaka, the following criteria are selected for Tarpanadi Krama. Hina Shuddhi of Kapha and Pitta in alcoholic patient. In Vada Pitta Prakriti individuals, we should follow Tarpanadi Krama. The reason for Tarpanadi Krama is that the Peya causes Abhishanda and aggravates Kapha dosha in the above conditions. Hence, in the place of Peya, Swachha Tarpana and Vilebi is replaced by Khana Tarpana. It should be done. According to Aruna Datta commentary, Pradhame Annakale Raja Saktavo, Dvitiye Annakale Jirna Shalyodanam, Tritiye Mamsarasamidamesh Tarpanadi Kramaha Hida Teshanam. According to Jajata, Mugdha Yusha and Mamsarasa are indicated in first, second, and third Annakala respectively. Sequence of rasa used in Samsarajana Krama. According to Charaka, Rasa Samsarajana Krama is the best to bring back the normalcy of dosha. Initially, Snikta, Amla, Madhura, and Hrudya Dravyas are used to pacify Vata. Without Sneha, Amla and Lavana is used to enhance the Agni, Madhura and Tikta Rasa for Pitta Shamana, later to pacify Kafakshaya and Kapha, later to pacify Kapha. Kashaya and Kadurasa should be used. According to Sustruta, initially Swadu, Tikta Rasa should be given to pacify Vada and Pitta dosha and to increase Agni. Later, Snigdha, Amla, Lavana, Kadu is taken to pacify Vada and Kapha and to boost Agni. To pacify Vada, Pitta aggravation and due to previous rasas, Madhura and Tikta Rasa is used in the next series. Later, Kashaya and Kadu Rasa should be used to pacify Kapha and Pitta situated in upper part. Ruksha and Snigdha is used as Vityasa Karma, that is alternatively, and the same is followed in further days. The intention is to make the body to have Abhyasa Satmya of all the rasa in these days. It is even appropriate to continue the same while taking normal diet also. Thank you. Assignment is explain Paschat Karma of Virejana. Next is Virejana Karma is advised in Kushta as per Susruta once in 15 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year. This asked for Hyderabad entrance examination the year 2003. Thank you. I hope you all understand my topic taken on this topic. And if you are having any queries, please do mention in the comment box below. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.